Football has changed. You are in control. These managers are impressed by your team's ambition. Who will you choose to oversee? The time has come to choose a captain. Your scouts have given you a short list of potential players, but only the best can reach the... The manager's playing a foot. Welcome to Dream League Soccer. First, let's run through the... Use the control stick to move your player around. This is the low kick button. This is the hard kick button. Use it. This is the lofted kick button. Use this when in possession. Swipe on the right when the ball is in the air. Double. Now we've been through the controls. Let's get into the match. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today. Moving down the flanks here. Easy for the goalkeeper there. You've lost possession. Now we'll run through the control. Use the B button to pressure the ball. Use the A button. Use the C button to change the active player. Let's get back to the action. Passed well. Well read. Good ball. And here's a chance. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. It's with the defender now. Distributes the play. He loves to run with the ball. The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break. It's with the striker. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Suarez. He dribbles the ball forward. He loves to run with the ball. He's unstoppable with the ball. He's got the ball at his feet. Oh, that's great determination. Good distribution. Passed inside. And there's the shot, and that is a fantastic goal. Fantastic. A debut goal from this player. Oh, we need to see that goal again. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. Well read. That's nicely played. Passed inside. Good ball. Gets the shot in. Just needing a bit more composure to get that shot on target. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. Kicked outfield. And we're entering stoppage time now. The attacker is in possession. He loves to run with... Is this a goal? Ah, defending. He slid for the ball, but missed. And it's half-time then. We go back to last... This league encounter resumes now as we kick off for the second half. It's with the striker now. Suarez. Ball's across the line, it's out of play. The referee very much in control of this game and he hasn't had to show a card. The striker picks it up. Finds his teammate. Nice work there. Good, clean challenge. This player is taking on the opposition. Defender then back on the ball. It's with the striker now. Oh, he must score. Pulls the trigger. Not the best effort there. Let's see how close that one was to going in.